Tonight, it is not feeling like a good idea for me to go home and be alone, and it also feels like not a good idea to go out because of the distractions available to me there. I really want to stay present with, but I also want to avoid the extraordinary pain that is where I am right now today around these mental health issues with someone I love and care about very, very much. What are the things that we want to avoid, or I want to avoid, which I'm assuming others have the same thing? That is the pain of being so incredibly helpless to do anything. The incredible despair of putting out every bit of energy and effort that I have and not being able to affect any type of a result that is beneficial. And the stigma around these mental health labels is incredible. And especially like the more educated you become about these things, of course the labels are ridiculous, and the enlightened psychiatrists and nutritional psychiatrists and metabolic family who are moving forward to make a difference in this space, they understand that labels are not necessarily helpful. And yet it needs to be a changed label to metabolic brain disorder or metabolic imbalance or whatever you want to call it. But when you're talking about, everybody is used to anxiety and depression, and pretty much everybody seems to have experienced that. But did you know that 1 out of 4 adults in the United States have a diagnosable mental health disorder? And that goes beyond anxiety, beyond depression, into bipolar personality disorder, schizophrenia. I don't know, there's a myriad of them. And then, subcategories of each one. So the thing about the way I'm feeling tonight is that you have to be able to feel. And the feelings are difficult, and having a place to be able to talk about what you're going through can be tremendously helpful, and being exposed to resources that the government, the system, the institutions, including traditional psychiatry, cannot share with you, is very valuable. So that's what I am about. That's what we are about, is providing a safe space for you to freely discuss whatever you are going through around mental unwellness or metabolic imbalances, or whatever label your loved ones, the people that you're dealing with, friends, family, enemies, people in the workforce are dealing with. This is what this community is about. So for me tonight, I do encourage you, if there's some type of 12-step group that you resonate with, that can be really helpful to prevent getting into destructive behaviors that you're using to distract yourself from the difficult feelings. I don't identify as an alcoholic or a drug addict or anything, but there are many 12-step groups that format can be tremendously valuable in whatever, even if you're just, I don't know what else you might do to distract yourself that's a negative or compulsive, addictive